So, fudge brownies without a baking oven? Kaya yan if you have this microwave like me. Ganito.
Let's go first with the brownie batter. Una, lagyan lang natin ng isang buong itlog yung brownie mix together with 1/3 cup vegetable oil, a few drops of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup water. Make sure to mix well para maganda yung texture. Then, just grease a bowl with fat at saka natin ilalagay yung brownie batter. Microwave natin siya for 30 seconds to 1 minute depende sa kapal ng batter na nilagay mo. There you go, tamang-tama yung texture. So melt lang tayo ng chocolates with butter para sa chocolate fudge on top, then microwave natin siya for 30 seconds para medyo maging crunchy siya. Ngayon gagawa naman tayo ng cream cheese, so just mix the white cream cheese with butter, sugar, and vanilla extract. 70% microwave power lang ang needed dito, so first you need to set the time to 1 minute, then press and tap on number 7. After nyan, spread mo lang the way you want sa brownies yung cream cheese, and there you go! Instant dessert gamit ang microwave. Thank you guys! Bye!